Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 61, class 9, subject science, and today we discuss about the Bohr's model of atom. What is the Bohr's model of atom? It is given by the Niels Bohr in order to overcome the objections raised from the Rutherford models. Let's see what is the Bohr's model of atom. Niels Bohr in 1885 to 1962 postulated his model of atom. And what is the model, student? Let's discuss. In 1922 he gave a model with the two main features. First, inside the atom the electrons revolved around the nucleus only in the certain special orbits, and these special orbits are called discrete orbits or shells, and all levels have different energy, students. Secondly, the electron does not radiate energy during their revolution in these discrete orbits. It can only jump from one orbit to another by losing or gaining the electrons. So by doing these two main feature, by giving these two main feature, Niels Bohr explain the motion of the electron around the nucleus and also able to overcome the Rutherford model's drawbacks. Student, he named this orbit or shell as KLMN, and outermost orbit is valence orbit, and the electron present in the outermost orbit are known as valence electron. See the diagram. This is the nucleus. This is the first shell KLMN. And how can we calculate the number of electron in all these shells? Then Niels Bohr give a formula also, that is the 2n square. And by using this formula, n is the orbit number or the energy level, you can find the number of electrons. K shell, there is 2 electron. In L, there is 8 electron. In M shell, 18, and N 32, and etc. That's chain moving on. But you have to notice that the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost orbit are 8, and this is known as octet rule. Okay, student. Now let's discuss something about the neutron. Neutron is another subatomic particle, student, and it is discovered by J. Chadwick in 1932. It has no charge and its mass was nearly same as that of the proton. What is the symbol of neutron? That is the small n. And neutrons are also present in the nucleus along with the protons. So the mass of an atom is concentrated inside the nucleus, because in the nucleus proton and neutrons, two particles are present, and the mass of electron is negligible, student. Okay, let's do the exercise. State two main postulates of the Bohr's model of atom. Here are two main postulates. You have to write this in your first answer. So this is your first answer, student. And this is also your second answer. First and second answer will be same here. Question number 3rd. Draw the diagram of Bohr model of atom showing 4 energy shells. So we take an example of calcium here, student. Calcium 20, K2, L8, M8 and 2. Now we have to draw the diagram. This is nucleus, first shell, second shell, third shell, fourth shell. In first shell there are 2 electrons. In the second shell there are 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. M. In the M there is also 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the last one shell there are only 2 electrons. 1, 2. So this is the diagram of the atom with the 4 shells, that is of calcium. Now fourth answer, student, what are neutrons and where they are located? Neutrons had no charge and mass equally to proton. They are represented by N and they are located in the nucleus. So this is the answer of your fourth question. Fifth question is, what is valence orbit and valence electron? So this is your fifth answer, student. I think this worksheet is clear up to you. If you like that worksheet, share with your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy.